Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a new avatar for free and how can you get it. First of all, you have to go to this marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and now you have to go to this in shorts and click recently created. Now you have to click on correct characters. So I'll give you the link of the item, don't worry, and just click on this BPU-1A. Click on it. This is a new item that you can get now for free and it is a new bundle. So I already own this bundle just few seconds ago because I don't know about the developer when it will uh, when he will change his mind and just make it for the sale. So just get this item as soon as possible for till this is item is free. So once you get it, guys, let's see how it looks on our body. So let's go to in avatar, go to in character board characters and purchased. Now choose this character, Mac, and it looks amazing, guys. As you can see, this looks amazing. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.